Welcome back. So we have an '01 Pathfinder here, and I'm going to just show you something quick here. First time I saw this, it kind of threw me through a loop, so I'm going to show you how to replace one of these 100 amp fuses. So this is how I got it. The fuse, it's just sitting there, like there's the bad one, and then or whatever, it blew, and they tried to get it out and didn't work. So this is extremely dangerous. For one, this is a fire hazard big time. So see these little slots? So it sits up in the fuse block, and then there's going to be a screw on each side that you need to remove in order to replace that. You know, it's not like a regular fuse where you just pull it out. So keep that in mind. I've seen quite a few of these different makes and models on these big maxi fuses, or, you know, 100 amp, 80 amp, whatever, big fuses. Sometimes I'll bolt them in. So on this one, you can see around the edge there, it looks like one solid piece, but it's not. If you go up in here, there's some various little retaining clips, and then I believe there's one down there, and there's a few on the front here. So I can't really do that while filming, but I'm gonna pop those loose, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. I was just about to start, and I was just curious. I pulled this fuse. This is not even, I mean, look at that. It just shoved it in there. So there's two of them. There's that one and then that one. And then so I guess somehow they got this to sit in there. It's a miracle this thing even runs. I mean, unbelievable. There's those front clips. There's one clip right there, and this whole little plastic whole box, the bottom part that covers that side, it just comes off. And then there's going to be some various clips in here. I'm using those to hold those open, and then there's two more in the middle. Still working on those. Just wanted to give you an update. All right, so got it popped up. These there's two. There's a clip there. There's a clip there, and then there's these two middle ones. They pull side to side, and I guess they expect you to have 5 arms. This is and then you're gonna get this pick and pull straight up, and the whole thing will come loose. And then now you can see there's a little screw right there, and then on that side too. So you take that out, and then this is just a 10 millimeter, and same thing on the other side. You just have to pull this up a little bit. Okay, so that side, that was an 8 millimeter, that's a 10 millimeter on that side. I don't know why they're different, but so on this particular model, that's what you need. And then I'm just gonna get my needle nose and just pull those little prongs out. They should come right out. See here. A lot of coffee today. I'm a little shaky. There you go, see? And now you don't have to break it out of your fuse block. Oh man. The lengths some people will go to avoid calling a mechanic. Now you can do it yourself. All right, so I'm gonna try to get a shot of this. I think you guys can see. Oh yeah, good. See, so there's a wire going up to that side. Be sure to get that on there and make sure it's clean. As you can see, that looks a little corroded. Never good. Same with the other side. Anyways, thanks for watching. Just a quick tip, kind of a quick video for you guys. No, first time I came across a fuse block like that, it was kind of stumped me. But yeah, and then I forgot to mention in the video, you know, of course, be safe when you're dealing with a fuse block or any type of electrical, you know, unhook the battery, take the negative terminal off, and you're safe. So anyways, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.